Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your theme for PGAdmin4 from light theme to dark theme. I remember in another video like last year, I did a video on how to change your light theme to dark theme in PGAdmin4. And now, this is the latest version of the PGAdmin4. This is PostgreSQL 17. So I did download the PostgreSQL 17. And so after installing the necessary applications, so this is how the PGAdmin came about to be. Now you can see my current theme is dark theme because I did change from light theme to dark theme as always. And now to change from your light theme, I'm sure your default theme now is light theme. You only need to go to File, click on Preferences. Then under Preferences, you can see there are several preferences like the browser, the dashboard, paths, query tools, and etc. So to change your light theme to dark theme, which I'm sure you are right now on light theme, you need to go to Miscellaneous. You can see under Miscellaneous we have file downloads and the user interface. I would just like to mention that in the previous version of PostgreSQL or PGAdmin4, under Miscellaneous we only had themes and then user language. Then when you click on themes, you will go to an standard, which is maybe the light theme, and then you select from standard, dark, or high contrast. Okay, so let's just to mention that one. So in a new version of PGAdmin4, you need to go to Miscellaneous. Then under that one, you need to click on User Interface. So I hope you can see the difference. Then under that one, you will see now the theme is inside the user interface. Okay, so there you can see we have dark theme because I'm currently on dark theme. You can click on the drop down at the far end here, and then you can select from these themes. So you can choose light theme. Since I'm on dark theme, I'll choose light theme. If you're on light theme, you choose dark theme. Okay, so if you click on save, you see it automatically changes to light theme. So in the previous one, you had to refresh the PGAdmin or restart the PGAdmin, then you will get your theme. But for now, it just auto updates from the previous theme to the current theme. Okay, so I go back and here user interface under miscellaneous, scroll down and then change to dark theme because I like using dark theme. Then I click on save and then boom, it changes from light theme to dark theme. So thank you. This is it. I hope you enjoy. Make sure you check out the previous one if you are using the previous version of PGAdmin4. I hope it will help you to change from light theme to dark theme. Thank you. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. I hope to see you in the next one.